In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Fortnite account on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Creating a Fortnite account on your iPad is super simple. All that you have to do is visit the Epic Games Store website. So through a web browser, go to store.epicgames.com or simply look for Epic Games on Google and access the first website. You will arrive at this page. You can also look for the Fortnite website instead. When you arrive on this website, all that you have to do is click this little user icon at the top right corner of the screen. Immediately upon tapping this little user icon, you will be redirected to this page where you can start the process to actually create your Fortnite account. So as you can see, you will have to input an email address. After you input an email address, it is going to be verified, and if it detects that it is a valid email address and that it hasn't been registered to an Epic Games account, you will be able to proceed to finish the sign up process. Alternatively, you can select any of these icons here to create your account using one of these services. You even have the option to use your very own Apple account. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to set up your account this way. Now, it should be obvious that I am doing this process on my computer, but it is going to be exactly the same for your iPad. So once you have the email address over here, just confirm it by clicking continue, and you will be able to proceed. Once you go forward, you will have to include your date of birth, so you choose the month, the day, and then the year, and afterwards confirm the necessary details. So you will have to input your country, your first name and last name, the display name, which is how other players are going to be able to see you, and your password. Read and agree with the terms of service, and your Fortnite account will be created. You will be using this Epic Games account to log into the game and play. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Fortnite account on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.